You're cheating or exploiting?
This one's cheating right here, the Mr. Sassy face or whatever. So that whole team's cheating.
Everybody is. There's 3 teams left and they're all cheating. Mr. Sassy. Bro, why didn't he shoot the guy?
Dude, not even getting his loadout.
Dude, skills.
Look at that. What the frick? See that? See that dude come up to the thing? Oh, he's sitting. He's in the corner. You know, but he's in the corner.
Yeah. Wait, so are these guys that we're watching, are they invisible?
Oh my gosh.
Well, everybody's invisible.
He's in the corner. What are you doing?
This is bull.
Hey, the guy,
he's in the corner.
Nanakib or something.
He's behind him. He's behind him.
We have to get to
the Nanakib guy.
Is he behind him?
Yeah, he's chasing him.
There's one guy's on a rooftop.
Yeah, and they're both in the rooftop.
And it won't show his name.
Oh, what the frick? They're throwing
it shows their names.
Nah, the guy on the rooftop is Mr. Sassy Face.
Yeah, and then their
that whole team is cheating.
Killed.
I know, I've been.
And then there's Nana Kulib. The Nana Kulib guy is just like, yeah, they're all invisible.
What does the boosting mean?
Like they're using hacks to like what's it called?
Win. Or whatever. Look it! Shoot his footprints! What are you doing? That's gotta hit him. Right?
What? I mean, eventually they're gonna have to run out of shit. Right?
Yeah, it's so stupid.
No, eventually the circle's gonna get so small that they're all just gonna be cramped.
Well, the circle's as small as it's gonna get. Now it's just moving around.
Yeah, this is so retarded.
That's retarded.
There's
he's right next to him.
Yeah, he's right next to him, huh?
Moving out.
If you could
heading this way.
They're running right beside each other. Oh, there it is. It's shrunk up.
Charge prime.
Man, he's dead. Tell me.
Throwing. Never mind.
Molotov lit.
Negative. Throwing Molotov. Throwing tear gas. Get the deck. Throwing Molotov.
The circle's like non-existent now.
It's literally non-existent.
Yeah, there's no people anymore.
He's done.
He's not taking damage in.
Yeah, he is.
Yeah, they're taking slow damage though.
Yeah, they've been in the gas for 10 freaking years.
Yeah, how can they be in the gas for so long?
Because they're cheating.
What the hell?
Look,
I'm hurt bad.
he has. If he does one more needle thing.
What?
I'm hurt.
You can hear him talking.
This guy, he has done 3
I'm still
cheating.
recording.
The heck? The skills guy.
My guy, Chris, look, he just keeps on giving himself.
Yeah, I've been watching him. I'm recording him.
I'm recording too. I'm like,
bull crap.
Oh,
so mad.
There's 3 people left.
People like that should be able to. They should be kicked and lose their account.
Look at their skins when they come up.
Why do that though? Why be invisible?
okay, wait, what?
You can't even
It
see.
gives me a glitch. I can see one of them. Then, and it's just what the heck?
That one is a different guy.
So they should.
Give that in.
For cheating, they should lose their account.
They will.
Wow, good job. Good job.
Nice job cheating. Good job cheating. they can hear
Hey
me.
guys, just want to let you know, I hope you enjoy cheating. You'll need to start up a new account. We went ahead and recorded all that. Submitted all your guys' names in. Good job.